Every single item in this show is free shipping and handling. Every single item in this show will help you save space, save food, save time, save money.
Exactly.
And help you get organized. So we've got different colorways on this. I think this one is my brights.
That's your brights.
That's my brights. So I got this beautiful kind of spa green, this beautiful citrus orange, and then this gorgeous pink. The other colors we have are, this is the Americana.
You're right.
So the Americana will be red, clear, and then a blue.
Put them on top so you can see.
So you can see that's your Americana. And then we have one more, which is just the clear.
Yeah,
the clear is just going to be all clear.
Right, just going to be all clear. So you're getting 3 lids like this. So you're getting all your clear.
And each one of them is 4 1/4 cups.
Right, so that's 12 and 3/4 cups of storage that you're getting with this set. Now the reason...
I love the glass.
This
I love the glass.
It's that same concept with the borosilicate glass. What you're looking at right here is a thicker seal. Because on our glass, we give you a much thicker lip because it is durable, it is strong. This is substantial glass with borosilicate. Again, oven safe up to 750. You could put it under the broiler. You could use it in your smoker. You can use it in the air fryer, and you could put it outside on the grill. It's still airtight, watertight, and the lid BPA free, of course. We want you to always feel safe eating out. Now, what we did while you're opening that one is we gave you that wonderful ridged bottom, which is nice because now your food doesn't sit inside its own juices. So whether it's your piece of steak that we have right here, they're not going to sit in the juices and get
like the dripping of the fat that's dripping down.
Exactly.
Or like asparagus and you've got butter.
Or just get soggy if you have your veggies in here. So that's something that we really like. But also what's really great is you get really beautiful, even baking because it allows that heat distribution to distribute evenly. So I'm going to flip this over.
Nice.
I might have to give this a little tug.
Little shake, shake.
Sometimes when it gets humid in this, no, let's do this one for a minute since that's not coming for me. Here I have some pepperoni bread. And I want to flip it. You can see that release as I'm taking that out. And you get a nice, beautiful, even browning. You could see it. I'm going to show that really quickly. You could see it here. You can see it here. So you know that when you bake something, it's coming out beautifully. And I love that about our borosilicate glass.
And again, it's 4 1/4 cup, each one of them. So if you're doing the meal prep beforehand or portion control, I think this is perfect for 2 people.
Yes, absolutely.
I mean, look at this, right? You've got the meatloaf, 4 1/4 cup. Cut these in half, right? Cut them into slices. You can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sliders.
And
with
then right
this
here,
immediately.
you have your scallop cheesy potatoes here. So that's a meal right there. And then we have green bean almondine.
That's your side.
I'm going to go over to the oven to pull something out.
Just to remind you, colors as you're looking and scanning, these happen to be the brights. The only thing that's different is the lid. So you've got this beautiful spearmint, a citrus color, and then also a pink. The brights are the ones that I love. It makes me happy. K99008 is your item number. There is the Americana, and the Americana is the one that's going to be the red, clear, and blue. So you'll get 1 red, 1 clear, and 1 blue lid. And then there's a fully clear set.
Now, what I took out of here is really cheesy baked ziti. And this will have a really nice pull. I'm going to put that down and show you that in a second. Can I have one of those spoons?
Yeah, sure.
What I want to show you here, though, is that we have bacon wrapped shrimp. You can see those juices. I'm trying to show you, get a good shot of that. The juices are sitting on the bottom. They're not disturbing the shrimp and the bacon, which is really nice. So the fat from the bacon drip down, and it's just a really, it's not sitting in it, exactly. And it's just, they're going to stay crispy and delicious when you go to bite into your shrimp wrap with bacon.
That was smart. And again, the borosilicate glass, why do we find that helpful for us?
Because the glass is really trending right now. More and more people are moving toward the glass. And it's nice because glass acts like stoneware too, Rachel. So your hot stays hot, your cold stays cold in here. And when you go to serve in it, it's really elegant and it looks beautiful. But also, it's borosilicate. And the difference with that is that not all glass can go in the microwave, the dishwasher, the freezer. We can do all of that, and our temperatures are up to 750 degrees. We're thermal shock resistant, and that's something that not every other glass is as well. But check this out with my baked ziti. Look at that release on there. I'm not sticking. Things just don't seem to stick in here is something I just really love about this. So you're getting this moist, delicious baked ziti, nice and cheesy, and that's all, nothing burnt, you know, unless you want it to be.
Yeah.
You know how you like to burn the top a little bit
Reminding you
sometimes.
again of these being the brights, and I actually went and grabbed the Americana. So
Thank
the brights, you get these 3. The Americana is your red,
Here,
your
I'll get the
blue,
clear.
and there's your clear. So that's the Americana. Super cool. If you're going to be picnicking with someone, if you've got people
Here's
who
the
are
clear.
coming over, and then you're holding the clear. The
Yes.
clear is all 3 that are completely clear at $25, 3 easy payments of $8.33. 1,000 of these have been snapped up, and everyone loves to like refresh and kind of restock up on LocknLock.
Perfect way to do
especially
it.
when it's a free shipping and handling day. So I'm just going to say that's like a little hint for our LocknLock lovers that whenever it's free shipping and handling on LocknLock, they're like, let me see what I have. Where are the holes that I need to kind of fill in and make sure that I've got those vessels? Maybe you had LocknLock that walked away as you gave gifts over the holidays, over Christmas or Thanksgiving or New Year's Eve. Put this in your cart and check out. You'll be so happy to try this borosilicate glass because, again, it's not something you're getting at the dollar store. It's not something that you picked up as a spontaneous move when you were in the grocery store. Thank you so much.
And I know you
Appreciate
like
it.
this, a little
You know
hot
I
dog
love
and
it.
mac and cheese.
Any
okay?
hot dog and mac and cheese.
Me too.
Yes, indeed. Okay, and now we've got Triton. And Triton is another material that is always popular with LocknLock.